This is the Dyson V16 Detect, and Dyson claims it's the cordless vacuum that finally solves the hair tangle problem, boosts suction to new heights, and makes emptying a breeze. But after using it for 2 weeks, I found one side of that story Dyson doesn't shout about. Stick around, I'll tell you where it absolutely shines and where it still misses the mark. Dyson V16 Detect Product Overview. Alright, so what are we looking at here? The Dyson V16 Detect, sometimes also marketed as V16 Piston Animal depending on region, is Dyson's current flagship cordless stick vacuum. It launched in 2025. Dyson has teased US availability later in the year as a follow-up to the V15 Detect, aiming to push cleaning power, anti-tangle tech, and usability further. It's aimed at homeowners who want a premium, all-in-one cordless vacuum, especially those with pets, long hair, or people chasing the absolute cleanest floors. On paper, you're getting 315 AW of suction, a dust compactor mechanism, new anti-hair tangle conical rollers, and intelligent power adjustment. The question is, does it feel like a real upgrade? Dyson V16 Detect Performance. So, specs are sexy, but how does it actually perform day to day? I used it across hard floors, low and medium pile carpet, around baseboards, and even for pet fur cleanup. First up is suction. Dyson claims 315 AW, that's higher than the Gen 5 Detect and well above the V15. But in side-by-side tests with oats, tea dust, etc., Dyson's own engineering critics found that the V16 underperformed the V15 and Gen 5 Detect for fine particles, leaving streaks of tea on carpets in auto mode. In lay terms, it's powerful, yes, but it doesn't always use that power most efficiently. Where the V16 does well is hair handling. The new conical dual roller Floorhead is excellent at repelling hair tangles. True long strands just slide forward into the bin instead of wrapping around the brush. Also, the vacuum can't lay fully flat under low furniture, sofa bases, beds. I found myself shifting chairs or couches slightly to get access. Features and tech. Let's dig into the standout features that Dyson is betting on, and whether they deliver real benefit. Dust compactor, or clean compactor lever. This is cool. After vacuuming, you flip a lever and it compresses the dust in the bin so you can fit more in between empties. The upside is fewer times opening the dustbin. However, in my testing, you do sometimes hit a point where the compactor can't squeeze more, so you still have to dump sooner in heavier cleaning sessions. Smart Auto Mode, or sensor-based power adjustment. The V16 senses debris load and floor type, hard floor or carpet, and adjusts suction and roller speed on the fly. That's meant to balance cleaning and battery life. Battery and runtime display, or LED readout. Dyson claims up to 70 minutes of runtime in eco mode, lower settings. In practice, expect less in carpeted or higher power modes, maybe 25 to 35 minutes under heavier use. You get a real-time battery countdown on a screen, which is helpful so you're not caught mid-cleaning with zero juice. Design and build. This section is about feel and usability because that's what you live with. The V16 uses quality plastics, metal tubes, and feels solid when assembled. It's not feather-light. Most premium cordless vacuums are going to have some heft, but the weight is manageable for typical use. The new Floorhead is visually interesting with its conical elements, but that tapering point at the front is a design compromise I wasn't thrilled with. It makes edge cleaning tricky. The attachment connection is upgraded. You don't always need to bend over to attach tools. Emptying is more seamless thanks to the compactor, but the bin is still relatively modest in volume, especially when you're not compressing every time. Pros. Excellent hair tangle resistance thanks to conical rollers. Strong suction overall and intelligent sensor-based adjustment. Dust compactor helps reduce frequency of emptying. Solid build, premium feel, and a sealed HEPA system. Cons. New Floorhead design hampers edge cleaning and under furniture reach. doesn't always outperform V15 or Gen 5 Detect on fine dust pickup. Heft as handheld tool can tire your arm. Bin size is still modest when compaction isn't enough. Final verdict. So, is the Dyson V16 Detect or V16 Piston Animal the best cordless vacuum of 2025? It's a tough call because it's a step forward but not a flawless leap. If you're someone dealing with long hair, your own or pets, this is one of the best you'll find, thanks to its truly effective anti-tangle rollers. If you often vacuum large rooms or want peak suction, the 315 AW number looks great on paper, and Dyson's auto-adjust behavior smartly balances power and efficiency.